Today is an exciting day in our life because we got our visa to United Kingdom. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prashigo. Today's video is a travel vlog. We are relocating from South Korea to the United Kingdom as a family of 3, my husband and I, and our little girl. I'll be showing you guys all the things we did during this relocation process. Please watch to the end and see how we packed our baggages, sold all our household items, also some tips on how to pack your bags and how to fly easily, especially if you're traveling with a toddler. Please grab your popcorn and coke and keep watching. This was when we received both SMS and email notifications that our visa was ready for collection. So here that you're saying was when our visa was delivered to the house. This is my husband signing. I also signed and we took the visa. We are just quite excited about the whole thing. So here is me going to ask hubby how he felt about the whole thing. So how do you feel about the whole thing?
Stressed, blessed, and actually exciting picking up the visa outside.
Can you see the
VFS Global.
Okay.
That's what it is.
Mimi, how do you feel about the whole thing? You feel excited? Feel excited about the whole thing, but again, you know, it's not really easy to move from a country to the other. So the whole thing is taking a toll on us, but we are grateful to God for everything because in that country, God is going to prosper our path and make all our dreams come true. So we already booked our flights, and the next thing we'll be doing is to just pack our luggages and go. At this point, I was thinking of where to even start from. This is me thinking of what clothes to remove and what clothes to even travel with. We've lived in South Korea for almost 4 years and we have lots of items. Imagine just selling, gifting out or discarding them in the space of just a few days. We also have here another thing to move. These are all my hair up here. But the thing is that we'll be giving almost everything here out, so we can always get newer things when we get over there. So it's not a new thing. And these are boxes of items we'll be giving away. We'll be giving them to our friends and family over here. And these are new clothes. We're updating you guys how everything is going. But right now, let's get into arranging of our items into the boxes. And I'll see you guys later. At this point, we went out for shopping so as to get some compression bags that we'll be using to pack our clothes, and also to get some mini containers to put in our cream and some small travel items we'll be needing, like the neck supports, gloves, and some leggings because it's winter. The main idea of using these compression bags is because it will really help us to save up space in the bag, especially, you know, the way winter jacket and some bulky clothes can take up space in the boxes. So what we'll do is just put on all those clothes into this nylon, use our vacuum cleaner to suck out all the air, and with that it will help us compress the clothes, and that can be easily transferred into the box and you still have lots of space to still arrange other clothes. So at this point, we are dismantling the bed to give out to a new family that just had a baby. of moving to another country. So this is how everything is. Let me show you guys around. Here we still have refrigerator and microwave, but it's going to be sold soon. You see, we used to have a couch here, now empty. So this is getting worse. And also we used to have a washing machine here, but right now it's gone because we sold it. And this one is yet to go, but it's gonna go today. And this one, yeah, all can see how scattered everything is. This one is going, and this one too is going today. These ones are going to our friends and families. Yeah, all should wish us luck. Everything you see here, they have new owners. So guys, we are still doing running around for our relocation. It hasn't been easy, but thank God for everything. And right now, Abby is going to drop me at work. I just finished work and I am heading home. I'm so exhausted. This is my husband.
Oh, really? I'm your husband. Ah.
Since it's Christmas season during our relocation, we just decided to do some photo shoot before leaving South Korea. We are done packing our bags and luggages. I just want to quickly rush to my baby's skin doctor just to get some cream for her because of the winter. It's so dry for her skin. Baby, say hello.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Oh my god. So here is our driver. He's here to pick us to the bus terminal because our house is so far from the airport. So we have to go to the bus terminal, take a limousine bus that will travel for about 4 hours to the airport. And here we are in the limousine bus enjoying the travel. At this point, we just got to the airport and we'll be heading to the baggage repack area to check the weight of our boxes and also to rearrange them. Today's update of our travel vlog. Currently, we are at the airport. Can you see Incheon Airport? And we will soon be boarding and flying. So this is how the airport looks like. It's really a beautiful airport, you see. So at this airport, it is mandatory you wear a mask. In fact, in the whole of South Korea, it is very, very mandatory you wear your mask. So I'm going to be talking through my mask. I don't know if you're going to hear me well, but it is what it is. So this airport is so amazing. It has a place for self check-in, a place where you can measure your luggages on your own. Celebrate Christmas together as a family. At this point, we had to rearrange our baggages because these kata guys dealt with us. So at the end of the day, we had to throw about 25 kgs of items away because there was no time for us to start calling people to come pick up the items. Traveler, at this point, I am completely exhausted. Look at my baby. Mimi, say hello. Mimi, we are all tired. We move. So here we are in the second flight. This one is going to take about 7 to 9 hours to London, and this one is more relaxing than the first flight we were on. And here is my baby playing with her tab, and we also got a baby bassinet here where we can transfer our baby in when she sleeps off. At this point, we just finished with the immigration clearance, and hubby has gone to bring our boxes, and from this place we'll just take taxi to Terminal 2 because it's holiday period, so there are no limousine buses outside. So we'll go to Terminal 2 to take a limousine bus that will take us to Debbie, where we'll be staying for the first 1 week before we move to London. So here we are at Debbie in our cousin's house, and it's actually morning now, so we are super hungry. My hubby is here trying to fix some breakfast for us to eat before we head out to do one or two things like buying foodstuff and other things. Bye.